Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to configure time management. So this is section 5, which is time management. The first thing in the time management is what is public holiday class and holiday calendar. Before even going to this topic, let's discuss what is actually time management. Time management in SAP, it captures the working time of an employee, like whether he is a part-time, whether he is a full-time, how many hours he should work, what break he is eligible for, what are the different absences he is eligible, like that information. So let's start with what is public holiday class and holiday calendar. After going through these slides, I will show you how to configure it practically. So what is public holidays and what is public holiday class, and then how to create a holiday calendar. So what is public holiday? A public holiday calendar is a collection of public holidays. We know a calendar is a collection of days, right? So in SAP, public holiday calendar is a collection of public holidays valid for a location. When I say location, it is basically personal sub-area. Hence, a company having operations from Houston and Chicago, for example, I'm taking here, they will ideally have two different public holiday calendars, because some public holidays valid for Houston employees won't be applicable for Chicago employees. So that is the concept of public holidays and holiday calendar. Now, how to configure it? The transaction code to create public holidays and holiday calendar is SCAL, S-C-A-L. So when I do the practically, you will be able to see that. And it is not only the it is only one of the way how to create public holiday calendar, but you can also navigate through the configuration guide, which is IMG. So if you know the transaction code, you can directly jump to this screen, and if you don't know the transaction code, you don't have to worry. You can navigate in the configuration how to create the holidays and holiday calendar. So this was holidays. Now, what in this screen, when you select this radio button, public holidays, and then click on the change icon, then what happens? This screen will come. This screen is nothing but list of holidays currently in the system. So if you want to create any new holiday, you can click on this small create button and create the new holiday. In SAP, there are 5 types of public holidays which you can create. The first one is with fixed date. What do you mean fixed date? It means the holiday will fall every year on that fixed date. Like New Year, it always falls on a fixed date. Now the second option is with a fixed day from date. What do you mean with a fixed day from date? Meaning, for example, there is a requirement that first Monday from November 1st will be declared as family day. So it is a fixed day from date. So here date is 1st November and fixed day is fixed day. So fixed day is Monday and the date is 1st November. So like that, we have other options to create public holidays, like floating public holiday. What do you mean by floating public holiday? Floating means this holiday will always fall on different days and different months in the year. Like we have religious festival, which is basically based on the moon sighting. It is not fixed. It always falls on a different day or different month in every year. So that is floating public holiday. Now, after this is the screenshot which basically shows you what are the various options SAP has provided you to create the public holiday. So now, after you not only after, let me go back. While creating the public holiday, there is a the When you create public holiday, there is a what do you call, a characteristic of a holiday, like whether it is a full day or whether it is a half day, or it is like it's not a public holiday. So that characteristic of the holiday is determined by public holiday class. So there are 4 possible options which are given by SAP. If it is blank, so this is a small field which is shown up in the screen when you try to create a public holiday. I will show you when we do the practical. So these are the 4 options which SAP has provided you. If it is blank, it means it is not a holiday. But if it is 1, it means it is a full day holiday, like New Year, it's a full day holiday. Now similarly, if you see the number 2 is half day public holiday. What even half day public holiday? Like Christmas Eve, it is a half day. Now number 3 to 9 is basically given for customer specific public holidays. For example, your company has their own holidays, like company formation day or something, so they want to utilize that particular holiday class in a different way, so they can use these 3 to 9. So SAP always provides an option for creating customer things. Like in my previous lectures, we have seen how to create custom objects, how to create customer, I would say the configuration is provided to create any custom object and different other things if SAP standard is not meeting the client's requirement. So the client might say, oh no, this public holiday class, no, we can't use this, we are looking for that purpose or something like that. Then customer specific things can come into picture. So once you create the holidays, what will you do? You will assign those holidays to the holiday calendar. So this is the radio button which you basically tick this radio button, and then you click on this change icon and then create your public holiday calendar. So that was the introduction. Now let us go to SAP and see how to create the public holiday and holiday calendar. So the is simple. You go to IMG and then go to time management, and then you expand the, if you see work schedules, you have to expand this. Now when you expand this, the first IMG node is define public holiday classes. Click on this, this screen came up which I already shown you. So the one which I showed in the slide is the same screen. So now there are 3 options here: public holidays, holiday calendar, factory calendar. Factory calendar, normally in manufacturing companies they use it, but normally we use only public holidays and this holiday calendar option. Let us create a holiday. So you should select this radio button here and then click on the change icon. When you click on change icon, this screen will come up which shows all the holidays. So let us go and create a holiday. I am clicking create. When I click on that button, these are the different options which SAP has provided you. As mentioned in today's lecture, there are 5 different options for public holidays, with fixed date, with a fixed day from date, with a floating public holiday, like that. Let's take example of fixed date and try to create. I'm clicking on create. See, I clicked on this create, this screen came up, I picked up this option and then I clicked on create. Now this screen came up. Here it is asking what day. So let's take an example, like, so I'm just this is some testing. So I say 2nd of May, and I want to give this as a fixed date, something like that. Sort criteria. What is sort criteria? When you create this public holiday and if you want to search a public holiday, it is difficult to search all the way down. It's better to give some sort criteria so that you can easily find it. So I would say ZS, like Zenith Software. And then I was talking about the public holiday class. SAP has given you these public holiday classes. If it is blank, it means it is not a public holiday. If it is 1, it means it is a full day public holiday. If it is 2, it is half day holiday, example Christmas Eve. And 3 to 9 are meant for customer purposes. Now what I am doing, I am entering 1, which is full day holiday. Now holiday name I am giving as Zenith, I would say test, and I would say Zenith test fixed date here. So I'm just giving a name here. So what I did, I am creating a holiday with a fixed date. I've entered this thing. Now what is this section means? It means if your holiday is falling on Saturday and Sunday, how do you want to treat? So in companies like, in US, normally when the holiday is falling on Saturday, they want to basically either move it one day before, or if it is falling on Sunday, they want to give it on Monday. So let us see what is like 2nd May. So if I see the calendar, 2nd May is basically Friday. Let us give a holiday on 4th May, and see what will happen. So 4th May is basically Sunday, but I am telling system like if it is falling on Saturday or Sunday, then I want to move it to the previous or next day. Meaning if it is Saturday, it will go to Friday. If it is Sunday, it will be moved to Monday. So I selected this option. So 4th May is Sunday basically. So now I am clicking on create because I filled up all the required information here. So this is option. Religious denomination means if the holiday is religious festival, then you can use this field. Now after completing all these entries, click on this create button here. When I click on create here, this information will come up. Just hit enter. Now your holiday has been created. Now how to search for the holiday? Just Control F, or you can find this binocular. This is fine. Click on that, and then basically you can have a search term like ZS because you have given criteria ZS. So see, it shows 3 holidays ZS. I created 2 and now I created 1. So there are 3 holidays, which is basically based on the sort criteria. I was able to easily find. Otherwise, if you don't give a sort criteria, you have to search all the way down. Okay. Now I have created 3 holidays, for example. Now after you create the holidays, now you go to the holiday calendar. What is holiday calendar? Holiday calendar is a collection of holidays. So I go and pick up this radio button and then click on this change icon. This screen will come, which is a holiday calendar screen. Now there was already one calendar which I created called ZS Zenith Holiday Calendar. Let me use the same. Instead of clicking create, I can go and change. But if you are creating for the first time, you better click on create. Now since the holiday calendar is already created, I am clicking on change. The screen is same. There is no difference. Only thing, when you are creating first time, you have to enter this name. Right now it is disabled because I have already created the holiday calendar. So these 2 holidays I have already assigned. Now I have to assign the new holiday which I created just now. In this screen you see assign holiday here. Click on this button, then this screen will come. Now how are you going to find your holiday? I told you I have given a sort criteria. Click on this binocular here, then search for your holiday. I am clicking ZS. I am clicking here because I was able to find this holiday, right? So if you don't give sort criteria, it is difficult. Now double click on this one. When I double click on this one, it showed me this screen. Now select this holiday here, tick mark this checkbox, and then click on the button assign public holiday. I am clicking on. Now this holiday has been assigned. Now save it. When you save, it basically saves the previous holidays also into the calendar. Now if you go back and again go to your holiday calendar here and see the holidays, there are 3 holidays, 1, 2, 3. So now go back and select your holiday calendar, and there are some different options SAP has given to view how it looks like. So I'm selecting the calendar. It showed me like because I have created the calendar for 5 years. If you have noticed here, I created the calendar for 5 years. So you can create the calendar for how many years you want it. So I have created for 5 years, 2013 till 2018. So what are you after you create the holiday calendar, what you are going to do is click on this calendar and it will show you all the holidays. Let me look at my year 2014. I select this one, I click on the year. When I click on the year, now it is showing me like the holidays which is on Sunday has been moved to Monday. If you notice this 4th May, I have created Zenith text fixed date, if you recall, but I gave it on Sunday, but SAP moved it on Monday because while creating the public holiday, we have assigned a characteristic like if it is falling on Saturday or Sunday, either if it is Saturday, move it to Friday, if it is Sunday, move it to Monday. So in this case, this public holiday was falling on Sunday, so SAP moved to Monday. That is the reason why you see 2 holidays which is created, but actual holiday it is on 5th May, which is indicated by moved. Similarly, there is one more holiday which was moved, probably it could have been falling on some like Sunday or Saturday. So this is how you basically create your public holidays and holiday calendar. Hope you understood. This is really simple. Create your own holidays with different options which SAP has provided, and then create your own holiday calendar, assign these holidays and have a look at the holiday calendar, how it looks like. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.